Oop. Move out of the frickin' way, chair. Can't see on this camera. Okay, I can't see, guys. It's alright. Ow! It's dark in my house. Bring him inside. It's like fireworks, but not. Outside view. Where's Sam?
He's videotaping for us.
Okay, I'll go up there with them. It's foggy. I think it worked. Lightning bug. Oh, damn. You're going fast. Holy cow, when is it going to stop?
Now that's a mean fucking storm.
The
Look
bug.
over there. There's nothing. Where's sirens?
Yeah. You're just hearing things, Sam. And mosquitoes are going to be biting us.
Oh, that was bad. Somebody's probably trying to get home until they can fuck the storm.
What's wrong? Yeah. A little bit better. Whoa. Oh, you guys came through the garage?
Oh, I opened it to put the plants in it. Get over here, Kiwi. You gotta come over here.
My computer's recording inside the house.
But it's not recording over here.
Yeah, that's why I'm outside.
Look at those clouds over there, Mom. Look how low they are.
Yeah, pink.
That's the stuff we gotta be burning on, not the fucking light.
We just like lightning. Damn.
That's low.
Whoa, mama. Oh no, it's coming closer to us. It's moving. Oh, wow.
I'm getting eaten up on.
Oh. Whoa, I think we better go. Oh my god. The old lady takes forever.
That storm, that one. Why is the door locked?
It
I
is.
locked it.
Why did you lock it?
Did you close the front door?
No.
No, but that was stupid. Why would you lock it? Because I didn't think we would be coming back outside. Okay then. Ah! I'm in front. Oh! What the hell? Stay low. Come on, Mara, get in here. Coming, man. Coming.
Oh god.
Close that door.
The old lady has to get in
Close
first.
that door. What if your laptop fell, Kiara?
It's watching it all.
Oh, Kiara! Exactly!
It's fine.
No, it's not. It's not meant to be dropped. It fuck up your hard drive.
I drop it all the time. It's still fine.
Okay, stop! Right now.
Yeah,
You were recording it? Recording it?
Recording it.
Where was it sitting?
Right there.
Oh, that was a stupid spot to fucking put it.
No. Just leave it in a bottle.
there's a dragon. There's a lightning bug. Dragonfly.
Lightning bug?
Yeah. At least I'm getting it on this camera, not my other one. That's a lot of lightning. Moon shadow, moon shadow. I believe it's that song. Nope, not that song. Holy cow. How would it be if I had it down there? Kinda perfect? Kinda not perfect.
You guys watching this shit?
I recorded it right now. I try to get.
Seen it on the way here. Coming down Newburgh.
Holy shit!
Lights everywhere.
Yeah.
What?
There's a tornado watch in effect till
11 p.m.
11. How do you know?
I looked at my computer.
They just said on the radio. Oh, I never seen a storm with this much lightning in a long time.
There's paint over on the side of the garage for the intrepid.
I don't
know what.
When the truck in the garage. There's stuff coming. Take the shit box outside.
I don't think he cares.
I don't care when there's golf balls like hail coming out.
Oh god, it's dark. Woo!
Oh, that is a cat. How's it, guys? Here, this is the door. Who are you? Be right back. You see the other view.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Are you on the side?
on, Mark, get in here. Coming, Dad, coming. Close that door.
The old lady has to get
Close
in
and lock
first.
that door. What? What if your laptop fell, Kiara?
It's watching it all.
Exactly! Fine. No, it's not. It's not meant to be dropped. Fuck up your hard drive.
I drop it all the time. It's still fine.
Okay, stop! Right now.
Yeah,
You were recording it? Recording it?
Recording it.
Where was it sitting?
Right there.
Oh.
That was a stupid spot to fucking put it.
Tornado
Sirens are going
That's
off.
what I said. I was wondering. Sam, stop! Damn! You need to cut it out. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know how you can do that.